swear with this camera. Every time I wake up, I'm always peachy. I don't feel always peachy, okay? I really don't. But time to brush my teeth, brush my hair, clean up my face, and then get the day started. So here I'm just brushing my teeth with a non-fluoride toothpaste. And then after that, I proceed to wash my face with a gentle, no harsh chemical face wash. Then I apply my favorite Thayer's toner. After that, you can see I'm brushing my long ass hair, which takes forever, but it's very easy to untangle. Then after that, I like to work out with my brother or my sister, whoever is at home. And we do some exercises outside to pump up our body and to sweat. And you can see we do a lot of things in the 30 minutes of working out. It's something that we enjoy doing. Good morning. It's Thursday morning. The house is a mess. So we're about to tackle it and get this shit done so that way I have a good start. So anyways, I'm gonna make everything clean so I don't have a really bad anxiety, because disorderly things make me have anxiety. But so yeah, gonna clean for the first 2 hours of my morning. He's in a rush. Look, you missed. You wanna go inside? Got the lights on. Getting the windows open is important for natural daylight. Now let's get started. So here I'm just taking all the trash out of the living room, and I'm taking all the dirty blankets off the couches, organizing the blankets that are clean, dusting the living room entirely. So the living room is done. I wanted to say kitchen so bad. I gotta go put these 2 movie discs in their correct place, their little home, which I organized yesterday. And I gotta feed Luna really quick. Actually, I gotta feed all the dogs really quick. Fed. Blossom fed. Me, no fed. Still hungry. But I'm gonna show you what I did yesterday. Excuse this mess. This is my brother. So here's A through G, G through P, P through W, 4K collection movies. So we have Rambo with his R, which is an R, and B movie, which is gonna be in the first basket. This is just gonna go in here because there's no more drawers in the normal DVDs. So now that the movies are done, the living room's done, the dogs are fed, all I have left is throwing recycle and recycle, cleaning up the kitchen table, the kitchen itself, cleaning the bathroom, mopping and vacuuming the bathroom, and laundry. We're gonna go do laundry. And here we have our laundry room. So in here we have all of our swimming stuff. When we go to the water park, our towels are in here already loaded. Our bathing suits are in the back bag. This is the shower bag. Our water bottles for the water park. These are extra blankets that no one's using at the time. These are extra throws, which need to be in the hangers, but I need to grab some more hangers. This is stuff that's already folded. That stuff goes in hangers, so we're gonna knock that out at the park. My shoes just got washed. I just need to touch them up a little bit. Extra clothes for my dad. That usually just stays here. My brother needs to put this up. I don't know why this is here. I don't know if it's clean. We got our little lint thing. And here's our laundry basket of what needs to get washed. I actually need to go see what's in the other bathroom first. Let's organize that. Taken care of. This is what I mean. We could have started laundry and this whole bin's still dirty, so let's get going. So I got everything organized. It seems like towels and blankets are in the wind, whites and black, gray. Everything is loaded. Just throw one of these in there. There's extra rings, stuffers. So got done, put everything away, stole some hangers so we can hang up those blankets and towels that are clean. Okay, so everything's done, and I made this for the kids, my siblings, so they know what to do for washer, for white, black colors, towels, blankets, and then the dryer, what they need to put on, little reminders, sort and check before you wash, remove lint after every wash. Oh yeah, you already know where I'm going. Fine, I'll go out there with you. Come on. Should we try this? Okay, y'all have no business being outside. Let's go. I'm gonna organize, recycle, then this, and then this. Kill me now. To that. And so now I'm just gonna see if there's any dishes to unload, and I'll start like that. Thankfully, these are already dirty. Actually, I got this bowl here. And into the magical kitchen. So I start to put all the dishes in the dishwasher, and then I take all the old food containers out of the fridge, start rinsing them with hot water and some mild soap if need be, and then everything gets loaded in. I put the dishwasher on sanitize since there's a lot of dirty food containers. Gotta keep them clean. Then I scrub the inside of the sink, and then I proceed to wipe off all the counters and get all the crumbs off of them, then spray them down with vinegar solution that I make. Then I wipe down all the appliances. So the kitchen is clean, dishwasher's running, nothing in the sinks. Clean the microwave, clean the exteriors, clean the inside shelving and the top of these drawers. Now, the last thing, this. So these aren't dry yet. Now they are. So gotta put that folded in up there, fold that big blanket, put it over there, and then we're done in here until this gets done and we fold it. The new clean red one up there. That's our extra big one for winter time. Thicker pillowcases, blankets that are keepsake, Pillowcases, thin, thick for queen size or king size pillows, and then thick for the medium pillows. Our miscellaneous towels that don't go with anything. They're kind of our extra pull towels, dirty towels, dog drying towels. We don't have a body pillow yet, but planning to buy another one because mine deflated. These are our bathroom towels from earlier, kitchen towels, drying mat, head towel, kitchen towels for hand drying. 38 minutes, done. Now let's go knock down the stain table. Keep getting sidetracked. Okay, so everything's organized. This is what I have to put up. This is our extra set of hands basket. So that way I don't have to make multiple trips. Here we are, taking it to the bathroom. And the only thing we have left to do today is vacuum, mop, and clean the bathrooms. Emptied. Now we're gonna put this by the fireplace where it was, which is just right there. And then this scarf belongs to Peppa as of now, as of this week. I told you. I have to ask my mom about these because I don't know if I can recycle those. I'm gonna make my dad a folder for important work papers. Here they are. And now I have extra folders. I'm still missing my sheet protectors, which I need soon for the movie guide I made. So here I am spraying it down with my vinegar wash solution, all the glass, top to bottom, scrubbing the tile. Then I proceed to scrub the floor very well. Then the door comes last. Then I start to rinse the glasses with warm water. And then I get a microfiber towel and wipe everything down. Return all the products to the shower. Scrub the sink and wipe the counters. Do that to both sides, of course. And then I get a new towel and then I wipe the mirrors. Thank you so much for watching. I'm editing the video now and I just realized I never ended it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I know that I've been MIA, but trust me, I'm coming back 10 times harder. I've just been lacking a little bit of motivation, but you know, you kind of have to take a break and then come right back. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next. I'm up for suggestion and any type of ideas, even though I have a million. Anyways, thank you so much.